Good evening. Let's see what's inside. Another package to open. Unpack. Let's find out what's inside now. Okay. Go. This is our favorite thing to do. Oh, what do you see? It's color pink. What's this? It's ears, no? Ears. Let's see, what is my favorite? Dun. Headband. Another collection of headband. Let's see. Let's open the close. Okay. Look. Nice. Cute. My favorite again, color pink. And let me show you the front. Ta-da! Cute flower, and what is this? Strawberry. And I thought there is a light, no, but none. But it's okay, cute. Oh, let me show you. Let me show you how cute this headband is. Bunny again. Nice. Another collection of bunny ears. Nice, isn't it? Cute. Oh, tell me your reaction on this video. Not that short, not that long, no? Because my other bunny headband is long. Oh, cute. Nice. You will see this later at my live stream, no? Okay. Thank you. Wait. Thank you very much. Oh, this is what I love here. Strawberry. And a cute flower. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye for now. See you later. Bye-bye. Enjoy your day. Thank you.